Hi guys, so this is a video on how to clean up your space after each project to like prepare for the next project. So I've also created an elastic IP and associated it with the instance. I'll show you so I can show like how to what to do with that after you're done. So first we're in our hosted zone now. Actually, let me just start afresh so you see everything. Let's start with our EC2 instance. So this is our running instance. Click on this. Instance states terminates. Please ensure you terminate. Don't stop, terminate. Because even when you stop, there are some background processes that will still be running that might incur cost in the future if you leave it over time. So it's always best to terminate your resources when you're done and you have no use for it anymore. So I would terminate this instance. Successfully initiated termination. So immediately after terminating this, you need to go and release your elastic IP. So this can go one of two ways. You can either go to elastic IP first and disassociate it from this instance and then release it, or you just wait and delete your instance first, because immediately you delete your instance, the elastic IP is automatically disassociated from this your instance, and then you just need to release it. So after this, I would scroll down here under network and security to elastic IPs. I would click on let me just cancel this. Okay, it can stay, it's fine. I'll click on the checkbox beside the elastic IP, click on actions. My instance hasn't fully been terminated. That's why I can still see the option to disassociate. Let me reload this, check it again. Still there. Let's wait a bit. Okay, it's gone. So it has automatically disassociated itself when the instance was terminated. So now we just click on release elastic IP addresses. Release. And that's gone. So why this is very important, the way elastic IPs work, when they are associated with an instance, right? You're not getting charged for it. But the second you disassociate it from an instance, but you just leave it in your account, you're not doing anything with it, it's just on your account. It's like you're making use of, let me not even call it making use, it's like you're keeping captive an important resource that could be serving someone else. So while you're doing that, they are charging you per hour. So it's like, okay, you're keeping this thing, you're not really using it right now, but you kept it in your account. You're going to be charged every hour you keep this elastic IP hostage, you'll be charged for it. But then when you release it, of course, it's gone, no more charges for that. So that's why immediately you terminate your instance, you always need to come over here and release the elastic IP so AWS can assign it to someone else if they want to. So go back and you can see that this has been terminated. It's still here for now, but later it will disappear from this place, but it's been terminated. Then you go to your Route 53, hosted zones, and that same hosted zone you use for project 1, the same one you use for project 2, that's what you click into, and you would terminate all the A records. Don't touch the NS, don't touch the SOA, just the A record. So A record, A record, A, and then click on delete records. All you're deleting are the A records you created. Do not delete the NS or the SOA records. Just delete the A records. Do not delete the zone. You will use this same hosted zone for project 1 to 5. So for each hosted zone that is created, you're charged $0.50. So if you keep creating multiple zones, if you create like 4 different multiple zones now, that's like $2. So you just create one and use it for everything you're doing. So you're done with this, and basically your account has been claimed and ready for the next project. So that's all, guys. Bye.